What's going on, everybody? This is Jack with the Trading Tribe. Excited to be back at it today with another really important video that even I actually wish that I had. So kind of starting off in my journey, I did not do enough testing with fake money. So we're going to have a little video series, these next two videos actually, where we talk through how to back test in trading and how to forward test in trading. And in our example, we're going to look at ThinkorSwim. I know a lot of the brokers out there have these two features, but this is so important with your trading, at least at the very beginning of the journey. This is something that can really help, understand how to trade, some of the mechanics on executing trades, and then even seeing if strategies work and if you're comfortable with a given strategy. And so we're going to kind of go over both in these next two videos. But for now, we'll start with how to backtest using ThinkorSwim. And if you open up ThinkorSwim, this is that main dashboard that I'm always in. So this is the chart tab up here at the top left. And this is whatever market you have called out in the ticker symbol field. So we're looking at the ES right now, but it doesn't really matter for this example. The main thing is when you want to backtest a given strategy or just, given executions, right? How to actually do that in ThinkorSwim is over here to the right at the top. It's called on demand. And that's essentially where you can pick the time of, the actual time frame and the instrument that you're looking at, and you can actually trade that prior or past time in that given market. And this is what we like to call back testing in kind of the trading world. And that's where you can go back in time and essentially take trades or look at the market and look at how, level 2 performed. And back testing has a ton of value, but today we'll kind of look at like how it would work and kind of what some of the features there would look like. So I'm going to click on demand here. This is essentially going to pop open a message window asking a couple questions and letting you know, right, that this is a simulation, right? It's fake money. It's going to show you the dollar of value in this fake account and just kind of clear up what we're actually looking at here. In this case, I'm going to click OK, and you're going to notice, right, we kind of move over to a new window or a new platform almost. If we look at the very top left, we're buffering, so that's essentially showing the data based on this date up here that we've chosen. We can see that it is a virtual account, right? So this is fake, this is not real, but it's the same platform, right? So we have our chart tab, we have the instrument that we were just looking at, we have really the same capabilities that we were just looking at, right? This is in essence the exact same. And over here to the right, this is going to be the main kind of set of controls that you have with on demand. So here's where you can actually pick the date that you actually want to trade. So I really wish I would have done this. This is where you could kind of go back with some time in your schedule and actually trade, right? How did yesterday perform? I can trade yesterday. I can go back and actually take those executions and treat it kind of like it's real time. And so here, for example, right, if we go to our daily chart or our intraday chart, this can, take a little bit to load. This is going to be the day trading chart, if you will, based on this time frame. So if we were going to test out scalps or test out different setups, right, we can go to that time frame just like we would on the real platform, choose the date, right, where we actually want to start our trading session. This is way back, a year ago, but we can go back, right, to maybe let's go back to January 2nd of 2023, for example. We can even control the date. So this is going to be military time, but this is essentially where we can control to the second, right, where we're actually going on the chart. And we'll leave it at 8:31. That's right after market open. So that's totally fine. And we'll click go here. What that's essentially going to do is that's going to jump us over into that day, that time for natural gas. And here is for the ES or the S&P 500, but you could also do this for natural gas. And this is that chart, that minute even, of natural gas, right? So that's how you would essentially use this platform and use this on-demand feature to backtest in the market, and you can execute trades just like you would normally. And so hopefully just within this quick video, you see a lot of the value here on just how you can test out new strategies and get used to a given broker. This would have been so nice to know kind of in the past. So super jealous for those of you starting out now and using this to trade in your actual trading. But thanks again, everybody. Feel free to like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And we'll be back next time for another session on different testing ways to do that in ThinkorSwim. Thanks.